power on the ventilator. It takes about 20 seconds for the ventilator coming to the standby mode. Start the function check. Use a single tube to connect the inspiratory port and expiratory port together. Click Start. The function check takes about 90 seconds. Connect the Y piece of the patient's circuit to the inspiratory port and expiratory port. Block the patient end, then click Start to check the patient's circuit. Connect a test splint lung to the Y tube. Enter into the settings interface. In general settings, you can set the system brightness, system volume, and touch volume. In views, you can set the viewing mode of the main interface display. Big front interface is available. Biomed is the maintenance menu of this ventilator. Password for the user is 123. In user settings, general, you can set the system date, time, alarm limit for the gas source pressure, ventilator using altitude, and IP address. In user settings, you can set the parameter units and system language. In user settings, metrics, you can set the display layout of physiological parameters. In user settings, default value, you can set the default values of patient information, ventilation information, and alarm messages. In alarm limits, you can set the alarm limits for physiological parameters. In special function, you can find the settings for LNC, ATC, nebulizer, suction and EG. In historical data, you can review the waveform trend and curve, event logs, and histogram. In patient data, you can export the patient data and screenshots to a USB flash disk. Export password is 123456. Set patient information. Estimated weight and suggested tidal volume will be given automatically according to the patient height you set. Select ventilation type, invasive or non-invasive. Select ventilation mode.